Steve at Driving School WA. We've got some good news for learner drivers in Perth whose tests were cancelled throughout the March, April and early May. Due to the COVID-19 crisis, their tests will be rebooked in the coming weeks. Now, the Department of Transport has appointed 45 new assessors who will help to meet demand in the Welshpool, Old Welshpool Licensing Centre, which is located on Murray Street in Welshpool, as the old premises of the current Cannington Licensing Centre will be open as just a additional centre where the tests will be conducted, and it will be open 7 days a week. So some great news. And now those learner drivers whose tests were not cancelled due to the crisis will be able to book their tests hopefully throughout June. According to the Department of Transport, we should get back to normal by December of 2020. If you require any additional information, you can ring 131 156, which is the Department of Transport. They are pretty busy. Sometimes you might get stuck on hold for half an hour or so. Let them contact you. They've got all the details. We've had a few people who have had a positive feedback about communication that the Department of Transport had with them. So they did ring them and rebook them. We hope it's going to continue that way. So if you've got any inquiries about driving lessons and how to get prepared, give us a call on 0403 727 030. The criteria hasn't changed. You're going to have to meet the standard to be able to pass. So, it's not only important to get the test booked, but, it's also important to be well prepared. Now, if you haven't practiced recently, please, take advice from your driving instructor and try to have as much practice as possible in the area where your assessment will be. Now, a little bit more on Welshpool Licensing Centre as additional location to for tests to be conducted. You're probably going to go through the same areas as Cannington, so that's very close by. It's only about a 5-minute drive from the current Cannington Licensing Centre. So, it's a very similar area, very similar speed limits, and, if you refer to our videos on this channel relating PDA in Cannington Licensing Centre, there will be a very similar density of traffic. Feel free to give us a call during our business hours. Feel free to comment down below and we'll try and answer as many questions as you possibly might have. Drive safely and we'll see you in the next video.